Good morning, students. So welcome back after a long time. So I hope you are all fine. So let us start our class. It is your science. So exam are coming, going to be held soon. Okay, I think from tomorrow onwards, I think your exam will start. So let us revise from the science chapters. Okay, let us start from there. Okay. So let us start. I have already told you the syllabus, I have told you from chapter 1 to chapter 5. Okay. Chapter 1 to chapter 5 I have told you, will revise from there, nothing to worry, you will able to do everything. There will be a this type MCQ type of questions will be there. So you will able to answer quickly, So today I am going to revise, okay, do a revision work. All of you are present now? Okay. Yes or no? All of you are present? Those who are present, they will give the present, okay? Those who are present, they will give the present. Okay. So let us start. So today I am going to revise from we have already revised from the whole chapters, previous 2 classes we have done. So let us start from again revision work. Okay. Okay. So revision we will do choose the correct option. Okay, choose the correct option. Okay. Yes. Those who are present, they will give the present. Okay. Acha, before starting, am I audible to you? Can you hear my voice? Please reply in the chat. Can you hear my voice? Yes? Okay, very good. Can you see the board? Is the board visible to you? Daksha, Sankalan. Okay. So let us, you will do this work in your science notebook, means your science copy, okay? So choose the correct option. Which of the following animals, has sharp and pointed front teeth? Which of the following animals has sharp and pointed front teeth? Your options are goat, cow, deer and lion. So which of the following animals has sharp and pointed front teeth? Questions will be, I have, Ayush, you are asking, questions I have told you of MCQ type, all MCQ type of questions will be there. So you will practice all the MCQs from the book and inside of the chapter. The inside of the chapter there are many MCQs, okay. You will revise from there, you will learn from there, and also you will learn the fill in the blanks. See, in the fill in the blanks there are options given here, so I can give it as a MCQ, okay. Fill in the blanks also you will learn from each of the chapter. So which of the following animals has a sharp and pointed front teeth? It is lion, okay. Now next one, number 2, when we get a small wound, when we get a small wound, we should first wash it with, when we get a small wound, we should first wash it with, your options are, oil, number B water, number C antiseptic lotion, and D none of these, or none, okay. So when we get a small wound, we should first wash it with water. Yes, all the answers are correct, very good, water. So now coming to the third question, third MCQ, third one, I saw a house made of canvas. It was a, I saw a house made of canvas. It was a, your options are stilt house, igloo, tent, pakka house. So I saw a house made of canvas. It was a tent. Correct option is tent. Okay. Okay. So before doing the next one, I will tell you that you will practice this MCQs in your science copy. Okay. You will write it there, and also you will check your answers by own. Okay. You will practice there in your science notebook. You will do there. So number 4 MCQ, number 4, the floor should be swept, should be swept and mopped. The floor should be swept and mopped every. Your options are week, B, month, C, day, and D, none of these. So the floor should be swept and mopped every day. Yes, your options are, correct option is day. Understood everyone? Okay. Now going to the next question. So I will rub the board. I think all of you have completed. Yes or no? So I will rub number 1 and 2. Okay. One and 2 I am rubbing. Okay. Five. Now next one, number 5. Dead leaves, twigs, dead leaves, twigs and remains, dead leaves, twigs and remains of dead insects make, dead leaves, twigs and remains of dead insects make. Your options are humus, number B, clay, number C, sand, number D, gravel. So dead leaves, twigs and remains of dead insects make humus. Okay, correct option is humus. Okay. Now going to the next question. Okay. Question number 6 now. Soil contains, your options are grain, grains, number B, pulses, number C, water, number D, none of these. So soil contains grains, pulses, water or none of these. So what is the correct answer? Soil contains water. You know soil contains air and water. I have told you that soil contains air and water. Okay. So I am now going to erase number 3 and 4. Number 7 now, coming to the 7th question. Which soil has a lot of air spaces between which soil has a lot of air spaces between its particles. Your options are clay soil, sandy, loamy, and number D, none of these. So which soil has a lot of air spaces between its particles? Your answer is sandy. Yes, sandy is the correct answer. Sandy soil has a lot of air spaces between its particles. We know that one. So coming to the next question, question number 8. Okay. Question number 8 now. What do all living things do? Okay. So your options are grow, talk, both of these, and D, none of these. So what do all living things do? Grow, they talk, so both of these. Answer is both of these, because you know living things, they can grow, they can talk, they can speak, okay, everything. Okay. Now coming to the question number 9 now. Question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 now. Birds have dash to fly. Your options are beak, wings, legs, none of these. So what is the answer? Birds have dash to fly. By which what helps birds to fly? Is it beak? Is it wings? It is leg? Is it none of these? So answer is wings. Yes, birds have wings to fly. Okay. One more is left, so I will rub here number 5. I will do there number 10. Okay. Okay. Number 10. Number 10. We use dash to breathe. We use dash to breathe. Okay. Your options are heart, gills, stomata and lungs. Okay, so we use dash to breathe. Your options are heart, gills, stomata and lungs. So it is lungs. Okay, we use lungs to breathe. Okay, so today, okay students, today we have done a revision work of the MCQs that can be coming in your exam. Better to say that one. For your term 1 exam, we have done number 10 MCQs from chapter 1 to chapter 5. So you will practice this type of MCQs will be there. Okay, from fill in the blanks and also from the inside of the chapter there are many MCQs. You will able to do that one. We have already discussed in the class. Okay. You will do that one, practice that one, and also the fill in the blanks that is in the exercise of each chapter. Okay. So you will science, who is Ayush, science syllabus I have told you. Science syllabus is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Science I have already told you. Science syllabus I have told you. It is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, because we have completed all these chapters. Chapter 6 we have started, but chapter 6 is not there. It is excluded now. Maybe in the next exam it will be there. Okay, so your syllabus is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 and 5. Okay. So you will practice everything from inside of the chapter. Given their MCQs, all I have discussed with you, and also the fill in the blanks for each of the chapter. So hope you will do a very good exam. You will give a very good exam. So I just wish you a very good exam, upcoming exam from tomorrow onwards. So thank you everyone. Okay, thank you everyone for your class. So goodbye. We'll meet next day again. Okay, okay, bye. So before going, all of you will give your attendance present. Okay. Best of luck for your exam and wish everyone a very best of luck for your upcoming exam, term 1 exam. Okay.